Hello friends, I am Kranti from Tiny Giants. Today we are going to discuss very important concept in your 10th standard, that is algebra. In algebra there are mainly 4 chapters in your mathematics textbooks. They are 1. Polynomials, 2nd. Pair of linear equations in 2 variables, 3rd. Quadratic equations, and the 4th one is arithmetic progressions. These 4 chapters will compromise for 20 marks in your coming board examination. So this is very crucial part and you need to focus on it a lot. Now I'm going to discuss the chapter 2, polynomials in algebra. In polynomials, mainly this in given textbook, the chapter starts with about degrees of polynomial and differentiation of polynomials based on its degree. Okay, if you open your mathematics textbook, please look out the whole chapter. In the given chapter, what are the main topics present? I am going to give a clear clarification of whole chapter. Okay, in this, the next section describes the geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial, and various graphs are shown to explain how plotting of equations is done, and parabolas are introduced in this section. Okay, then after this a lot of solved problems are given to show how the number of zeros can be determined by using graphical method. So this is the main concept, graphical method. By using this method you can show that how the number of zeros can be determined. In your polynomials chapter there are mainly 3 exercises: exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. If you practice these 3 exercises, maybe in coming board examinations you will attempt for some short answers. Okay, this exercise 2.1, this exercise is based on same concept, which is graphical method. By using this graphical method you will complete all the questions given in exercise 2.1, and after completion of this exercise you will go on to next section, that is the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. It will be clearly explained after this exercise 2.1. Then after completion of these 2 topics you will move on to exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2 it consists of questions in which students need to find the sum and product of zeros of a given polynomial. So you will have a algebraic equation. By using that equation you will find the sum and product of zeros for the given polynomial equations. After completion of this exercise 2.2 you will move further to division algorithms for the polynomials. Means you have to find how division works for the polynomial equations. After completion of this exercise you will move on to exercise 2.3. This is exercise based on this concept, division algorithms for polynomials. Okay students, you already understood that what are the exercises present in your polynomials chapter. So after completion of these 3 exercises there is another additional optional exercise is given, but this exercise is not that much important. Maybe you can practice for your own interest, but this will not come in the board examinations. And for a perfect finish, for completion of this whole chapter, a few important points are given to the summary of the chapter. So after completion of all these important questions and answers for the polynomial equations, please, if you are done with this whole unit, please go to the summary and try to recollect all the formulas that you having in your mathematics textbook. So this is all about polynomials for chapter 2. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.